Hey guys, my name's Guy Scepter, and today's product we're going to be talking about is Nanolex Textile and Leather Sealant. Textile and leather sealant is a great way to maintain your interior. It lasts for a long time. You really only need to reapply it every 6 months or so. It's a great way to keep all the grease and grime and nasty stuff out of your carpets or your leather seats, even if you have vinyl seats. Just an easy way to maintain your vehicle without breaking the bank. This product attaches directly to the fibers of your carpets and helps product build up on the surface so that you don't get any kind of seepage into the actual carpets. Really helps for just maintaining and just ease of cleaning, wipe away things, you know. If you're a big coffee drinker, it doesn't absorb directly into the carpet. Beads up on the surface, just take it right away. So to apply this product on a leather seat or on a vinyl seat, we like to apply directly onto a very clean or brand new microfiber towel. We use a pretty generous amount just so that we can get full coverage of the entire seat. You'll see the product dissipate and actually work its way into the vinyl or leather, giving you maximum protection. When we apply it directly to the carpets, we like to spray a generous amount directly onto the actual fibers of the carpets or the floor mats. That way you can just pretty much wipe away any filth that you might actually get inside of the vehicle. Today we talked about Nanolex Textile and Leather Sealant. If you want to know more about this product, feel free to stop in or give us a call today.